I also think a lot of people tend to think kwamele uyoconsulta mososhade nomuntu or mosowaziwa idlozi lalapho. But I find a lot of times when couples come through, it's mostly soul ties. It's mostly things you do as an individual that impact the initial togetherness, you know. So there's a lot of things that couples go through that we don't really talk about a lot. Fertility, idlozi, saying no, I don't want your partner. What do you do? How do you work through it spiritually? And what are the signs? You know, maybe you're not compatible, and maybe your ancestors are saying, "Mfethu, no, I'm sharp now," and you find yourself, since ngihlangana nalo muntu yazi mina angisasebenzi, or money is not coming through. Fertility, as I said, not getting kids, or mobathola bayashona, or especially couples that are going through times where bafuna ukulobola and they say, hey, gogo sizohlola to find out where we stand, and lidlozi lithi no,